Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is precarious. It is pronounced pre-ca-re-us, and it is spelt P-R-E-C-A-R-I-O-U-S. Think pre, then car, then the letter I, and then us. Precarious means not securely held or in position so that it is dangerously likely to fall or collapse. For example, you could say the ladder was balanced precariously on the edge of the roof. The word precarious has a strange origin. This word was first used in the 1640s and was a legal word. Precarious used to refer to being held or imprisoned through the favour or will of another. This notion of something being dependent on the will of another led to the extended sense of something being risky, dangerous, hazardous, or uncertain. Its meaning today. However, as you may have noticed, this isn't really a very close link. Samuel Johnson, a dictionary writer from 1755, famously said, "No word is more unskillfully used than precarious." Precarious is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say the precarious treehouse was nearly blown out of the tree during the storm. Precarious is defined in the dictionary as in a dangerous state because of not being safe or not being held in place firmly. Precarious's synonyms include unsettled, unstable, unsteady, dangerous, delicate, dicey, hazardous, insecure, perilous, problematic, and risky. Antonyms include settled, stable, steady, secure, certain, definite, reliable, and safe. See if you can notice anything that you could describe as precarious today. Look out for something balancing over the edge of your desk at school or on the table at home, and then impress your friends and family by using your new word, precarious. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.